Hi, my name is Simoes and I am the workshop coordinator for jewelry and small-scale metals and part of the materials lab. This is the metals workshop at Tavistock Place, where you can learn and practice many different processes and techniques such as enameling, lost wax casting and silver soldering. Here you will also learn how to work with resin and how to color anodized aluminium. In addition, we have larger scale metal facilities including electric and gas welding and plasma cutting. We also have a metal shop where we sell lots of different materials and some tools. Different processes will require the use of personal protective equipment, but we will explain everything in detail during inductions. For any accidents, go to a member of staff and they will call a first aider. In case of a fire alarm, please stay calm and leave throughout your nearest exit and go to our designated assembly point outside the box. If you have any other queries, feel free to send us an email.